This is the foam rolling circuit. So before we start this, what's important to note is that we're not foam rolling to actually break up, what would be called trigger points or knots, quote unquote. Okay, it's not the same as massage or trigger point therapy. Really, what we're just doing is we're rolling on some important muscle groups. Really, just think of it as in order to stimulate blood flow and in order to just get some length through the muscle fibers. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 5 passes. 5 reps for each group in this video. That's just for the sake of time and getting through the video, but I'll probably prescribe 10 reps to everybody that gets this in their program. So what we're going to see here is first we're going to start. I'm going to lay on the roller, and you see I'm just going to bring the roller to starting from my mid back, and I'm going to give myself a hug and roll up to the base of my neck. Okay, so never on my low back. I'm starting always in my mid back and my mid thoracic there, and then I'm going all the way up to the base of my neck. From there, I'm going to lean to whichever side, one side, and I'm going to roll out that lat. So same thing from the middle of that rib cage where that lat attaches there. And then we're going to come all the way up to just behind the shoulder, behind the posterior deltoid there. So see the length of that lat I'm just running. This will probably be tight for a lot of people. You really feel, just some tension through there. Next, we're going to come and we're going to sit up onto the roller. We're going to cross an ankle over one knee, and then we're going to lean to that side of the leg that we cross. So in this case, I'll cross my left ankle over my right knee. I'm going to lean to my left glute. Now you see I'm switching to my right. So I'm going to lean over, and I'm going to put all of my weight over on that right glute and really try and feel for wherever you feel some tension there. It could be on the outside of the hip, could be up high, could be down low, really whatever you feel. Just make sure you're passing through there. Next, I'm going to do my hamstrings, right? So you see I'm crossing. I'm straightening out my bottom leg or the leg that I'm on, crossing the other leg over, and then I'm running from basically the hamstring all the way from up to just below my glute down to the back of my knee, okay? So that whole hamstring. See, I'm keeping my foot flexed, and what that's going to do is just kind of allow that hamstring to put some tension while I really roll it out. Now you're going to see I'm going to do the same thing with my calves. So starting from the back of the knee and then down all the way to the bottom of the calf muscle just above the Achilles. I'm going to just roll through there. I'm going to keep my foot flexed the same way, and it's going to allow me to really feel, you can see it kind of wince at some of the tension there. That's just going to allow me to really get in there and really feel that muscle. So same thing on the other side. We're just rolling through the back of the knee all the way down to the Achilles and that calf. We're going to come out of that, okay? And then we're going to come into that adductor or the groin, so that inside thigh. I'm going to roll from basically my knee all the way up as far as I can go into my groin. This for me is always a real tense area, so it feels really good to just kind of roll those muscle fibers out. Same thing, we go to the other side, so really just trying to get a nice big length and range of motion there throughout. We're going to come out of the adductors or the groin there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, on the edge of the roller, so if I'm on my left thigh, we'll put it on the right edge of the roller so I can kind of hang my other leg off. And I'm just going to roll all the way. You see I'm up in that hip flexor, right? And I'm going all the way down to just above my knee. So the whole length of that hip flexor and quad all the way. Nice big passes, and you'll definitely feel some tension there. Really throughout the entire quad into the hip flexor for most people. All right. Out of that, what we're going to do is we're going to work into the outer side of the thigh or the IT band. Okay, so that lateral thigh. And same really thing here. I'm going to roll all the way from up into that little pocket in my hip, like TFL area, all the way down to just above the knee on the outside of that thigh there. Okay, so really just getting good long passes there, and then I'm going to switch and do the same thing. You see I'm just kind of crossing my opposite leg over my body. It just allows me to get into a good position there and really feel that. Okay, so this is our foam rolling circuit, and this is going to precede the warm up, really the whole workout, just to get some blood flowing and get everything moving before we start.